Are you the one?
Hi everyone, I'm Joonas, Oriflame's Global Beauty Artistic Director, and in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to put focus to your eye by using the One Eyeliner Styler to create a beautiful classic eyeliner and then taking it into a more trendy look. Before you start to prepare any makeup look, always make sure that you have a perfectly primed and moisturized skin and that you have a perfect base, because if you have a perfect base, you can get away with almost any makeup look. Before you start to actually apply the eyeliner, I'm putting a little bit of the One cream eyeshadow in white in the inner corners of the eye to open up the eye and make it a little bit more awake. Now we're going to start to apply the eyeliner itself, and it's really easy with eyeliner stylo. You want to create a lash filler that will make the eye look more in focus, the lash line a little bit more visible, and the lashes will look more thick and full. So you want to start in the inner corner of your eye, almost just making small dots really close to the lash line where the lashes actually grow out, just to make a feeling that the lash line is fuller and thicker and the lashes will look like they're just more beautiful. So building up the line using small short strokes is the easiest way to find the right shape of your eyeliner. Then when you come to the outer part of the eye, twist the pencil and make the line followed by the lower lash line so you get a small flick. Make sure to almost come in between the lashes themselves by using the tip of the liner to really create this beautiful lash filler. As you can see, just by creating a small thin line along the lashes, it creates a huge impact on the eye itself. So moving on to the next eye, start again in the inner corner of the eye, creating almost small dots that you then gradually build together. This is the easiest way to get the right angle and the right line. And when you come to the outer part of the eye, flick the pencil so you have a new angle, and this is easier for you to then create the flick. And you want the line to be gradually a little bit thicker in the end of the line and a little bit thinner in the beginning of the eye. And don't forget to take the point and go in between where the lashes grow out to get a real lash filler. And that's how easy it is to use the One Eyeliner Stylo. And this will work for any type of eye shape and just instantly make your eyes more beautiful. Now we're going to take the more classic traditional eyeliner into a more trendy and graphic eyeliner look. So I want to start by just making two little points. If you look straight in, right where the iris starts, close your eyes, look up, close your eyes. Because that's where I want the eyeliner to gradually become bigger. Because if you make a big eyeliner too close to the inner part of the eye, that's going to minimize the size of the eye. But we want to make a trendy look, but maximize the size of the eye at the same time. So using the same technique, with small strokes, gradually build up the eyeliner, make it thicker and more graphic. So moving on to the next eye, the same procedure, starting with a point, building up the eyeliner gradually. It's easier to build up than to take away. So that's why I'm with small strokes gradually building up. So to finish off this graphic eyeliner look, we're going to add mascara, because that's really going to be the big final step. And we want quite thick and fat lashes. And in this particular case, I'm using the lash resistant mascara because I want my model to be able to do whatever she wants, so she can go out in the rain or do sports or go to a wedding and cry. Doesn't matter, because this is a waterproof mascara, so it'll stay on all day and make sure the lashes look fabulous. I want the focus to be on the upper lash line where we created this graphic eyeliner, but just to give a little bit of balance, I'm going to finish the whole circle of the eye, put a little bit of mascara to the lower lash line as well. So there you go. Let me see. You look very nice. Now it's up to you to look as good as my model by using a little bit of my tips and all the great The One products.
Are you the one?